Check out this Bidet toilet seat, Bidet toilet seat, whatever you want to call it, my dear. It's all you, from Hibbent or Hibbent or whatever. You feel me? Let me show you the interesting part. Turn it on. Adjust the water pressure. Look at that. Turn it all the way. Cleans the nozzle. Alright, that is to wash your bidet. That's your bidet drawer. And if you're a female, this goes like this. So it switches off. And then we turn it off. Click the subscribe button and let's get started. Hello everyone, this is the Hibbent toilet seat bidet with self-cleaning dual nozzle. It is hot and cold water spray, non-electrical mechanical bidet. As usual, this is the store on Amazon. This is the black one. See that? Probably easy to install. I don't know yet. We'll check it out. And that product link will be in my description box. So this says rare wash, women clean this. That's for that one. And then this one says that. So they all have their cleaning modes and all that. So it is $62.99 for the black one, and I think I got the black one, or I think I got the white one. Okay, $62.99 for the black one, and then $59.99 for the white one. Okay, let's check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, although I don't know what toilet I will put it in. Okay, I have work to do. Came in with that. These are the only parts that came in. So this says wash, that. I guess it goes like that. Okay, we'll see. I will not be doing this. Just returned from a 16-hour shift. I am gonna get help to do this. So these are the instructions, manual, installation guide. These are the parts. Please hit the subscribe button for more helpful videos if you haven't done so at this point. By the way, this is the temperature knob, control knob, the water pressure, the nozzle select control knob, the sliding nozzle, and seat coupling hole, which is all that. Hot, cold. I think it goes like this. Wash your booty. Women cleaning, nozzle cleaning, water pressure to the maximum and off, cold, temperature control, hot. Okay, I will not be putting this in the kids' toilet like I wanted to. So we're taking out the hot water hose because this, whatever this connection is, does not have any provision for hot water. We'll be taking out this cap to cover the hot water portion of it. So we're going to close that part off since we don't have any connection for hot water. Okay, so we're connecting any part of the hose You can put here, you can put here to the part that we use. First step I read earlier was to turn off your water supply and then drain, flush the toilet and drain the water up here. I think number 3 step has said to disconnect the toilet seat, and number 4 step said to hook the to install the bidet, and then go ahead and install back the toilet seat. So use the adjustable wrench and unscrew to loosen up that part. So we're unscrewing this part, and then we'll put the adapter, the cord adapter, and then connect the braided hose from the bidet to that cord adapter. So that's what we got so far, so good. So make sure you hand tighten it. Adjust this part so you can center it in between. And then put your toilet seat bumper. So for this part, we won't be using this part. This is for the people who their knob or screw cap or screw knob or whatever this is not long like this. They end up using this. So we're going to tighten this part that's leaking out. Because of the water pressure, we ended up using a wrench to tighten it up, and then it stopped leaking. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the tap. See, it's no longer leaking. And fill it up. We're going to cover it up. So if you feel like your toilet seat is not closing all the way, you can put these toilet seat bumpers here, under here, 1, 2, 3. That way to seal it up. Okay, for real, let's test it out. And you know, when you're sitting like this when you're sitting. So you read it from there. Water pressure. And turn it all the way. See? That's what we got. Let me do that again from this angle so it doesn't splash all the way. In order to avoid splashing, let's go ahead and put all the way. So one more time, that's it. Reduce the pressure and it reduces. That's for that if you want to turn it off. And then since we don't have any more hot, we don't have the hot parts, this part is totally useless. So you want it cold or just warm, we'll leave it a little warm, just in the middle. And then this part is the nozzle cleaning, which of course you have to turn your thing on. You go this way to clean the nozzle. And then for the female part, this place is to wash, of course. And then for the female part, it just brought up a different look. The regular wash is this. That's the regular wash on that nozzle for your booty. And then for the female part, it switches to the other one. See that? That way it's, cleaning up your private area. And then let's put it back to the nozzle, cleaning. And everything went back in. And I'll turn it off. So you're basically just turning it on here, adjust the water pressure, and then you wash. Woo! Wow, woo! It was very easy to install. If you know what you're doing, it's fast, but it's not hard to install. As usual, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ask your questions. Don't forget to hit the click the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. I do appreciate you guys for your loyalty and support. Bye.